The airbag system is a critical safety feature in modern vehicles designed to protect occupants during a collision or sudden deceleration. It works in conjunction with other safety systems, such as seat belts and crumple zones, to minimize the risk of injury in the event of a crash. Here's an explanation of how the airbag system works. Sensors. The system consists of various sensors strategically placed throughout the vehicle. These sensors continuously monitor different parameters like acceleration, deceleration, impact force, and sometimes even the position of the seat and seatbelt. Electronic Control Unit (ECU). The data collected by the sensors is sent to a central control unit, often referred to as the Electronic Control Unit (ECU), or the Airbag Control Module. This module processes the sensor data and determines whether a collision is severe enough to deploy the airbags. Airbag Deployment Decision. The ECU calculates the severity of the impact based on the sensor data. It takes into account factors such as the rate of deceleration and the direction of the collision. If the impact is deemed significant enough, the ECU triggers the deployment of the appropriate airbags. Inflation. When the decision to deploy the airbags is made, an electrical signal is sent to the airbag inflator. The inflator is a pyrotechnic device that contains a small explosive charge. This charge ignites, generating a controlled explosion. The explosion releases a high-pressure gas, typically nitrogen, which rapidly inflates the airbag. Airbag deployment. The inflated airbag emerges from its compartment at high speed. It usually takes just a fraction of a second for the airbag to fully inflate and deploy. The deployed airbag acts as a cushion that helps to absorb and distribute the impact force while preventing the occupants' bodies from coming into direct contact with hard surfaces within the vehicle. Occupant protection. The primary purpose of the airbag is to prevent or mitigate injuries to vehicle occupants. Frontal airbags are the most common and are located in the steering wheel for the driver and in the dashboard for the front passenger. Depending on the vehicle and the model, side airbags, curtain airbags, and knee airbags might also be installed to provide protection in different types of collisions. After deployment, once the airbags have deployed and the collision forces have been absorbed, the airbags start to deflate. This allows the occupants to move within the vehicle more comfortably after the crash. It's important to note that airbags are designed to work in conjunction with seat belts. Seat belts keep the occupants in their seats and help them to decelerate more gradually during a collision, while airbags provide additional protection by reducing the risk of direct impact with hard surfaces. Modern airbag systems have evolved to become more sophisticated, incorporating advanced sensors, multiple airbags for different areas of the vehicle, and even features like adaptive airbags that can adjust their deployment force based on the severity of the collision and the occupant's position.